how to fix TikTok Duet not working. So hi guys, today I'm going to talk about how to fix TikTok Duet not working. So to fix this issue, what you can do is enable the Duets on your account. So for that, open your TikTok app, then tap into profile at the bottom right and then tap the three-line menu at the top right. Now select settings and privacy and then find privacy from the list, then scroll down and select Duet. Now choose everyone or friends if you only want followers. You follow back to Duet you. Now the next thing what you can do is clear the app cache because this removes temporary files that cause the app to glitch or freeze. Just stay on your settings and privacy page and then scroll down to cache and cellular section. Now tap free up space and the tap clear button next to cache. Now restart your phone. Now the next thing what you can do is check for the app updates. Just go to your Google Play Store, Apple App Store and then find TikTok. And if you see an update option available here, just tap on update to get the latest version. So that's it for this video guys. I hope this video is helpful. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in my next video.